Hello my dear students, today in this class we are going to learn about double column subtraction. See, here the question is 48 minus 25 is equal to how much? We have to subtract 25 from this 48. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is ones place, and this is tens place. Right? In the 48, how many tens are there? There are 4 tens in the 48. And how many ones? There are 8 ones. In this 25, how many tens? There are 2 tens. And how many ones? 5 ones. In the addition, first we have to add the numbers from ones place, right? Like addition, in the subtraction also we have to subtract the digits from ones place. First we have to subtract the ones place digits, then we have to move on to the tens place digits subtraction. Okay. In the ones place we have 8 and 5. Students, 8 minus 5 how much? 8. We have to subtract 5 from this 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers left? 1, 2, 3. Right? So, 3 fingers are left. That means 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. We get 3 ones. After completing the subtraction of ones place, then we have to subtract the digits which are in tens place. In the tens place we have 4 and 2. 4 minus 2, how much? 4 minus 2, 2. We get 2 tens. 2 tens plus 3 ones, that is equal to 23. When we subtract 25 from this 48, we get 23. 47 minus 13 is equal to how much? We have to subtract 13 from this 47. In this 47, this is ones place, this is tens place. In 13, this is ones place and this is tens place. In this 47, how many tens are there? There are 4 tens. And how many ones? 7 ones. And in this 13, there are 1 ten and 3 ones. 1 ten and 3 ones. Now we have to subtract first ones place numbers. Right. In the ones place we have 7 and 3. 7 minus 3 how much, students? 7 minus 3, that is 4. We get 4 ones. And that 4 should be written under this ones place. After subtracting ones place numbers, then we have to subtract the tens place numbers. In the tens place we have 4 and 1. 4 minus 1 how much? 4 minus 1, 3. We get 3 tens and that 3 should be written under this tens place. We get 3 tens and 4 ones. That means we get 34 after subtracting 13 from this 47. 96 minus 24 is equal to how much? We have to subtract 24 from this 96. In this 96, this is ones place and this is tens place. And in this 24, this is ones place and this is tens place. In the 96, there are 9 tens and 6 ones. 9 tens and 6 ones. And in this 24, there are 2 tens and 4 ones. First we have to subtract the numbers which are in ones place. In the ones place we have 6 and 4. Subtract 4 from this 6. 6 minus 4. This is 6. We have to remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers are left? There are 2 fingers left. So 6 minus 4 is 2. We get 2 ones. Now we completed the subtraction of ones place. Then we have to move on to the tens place. Subtraction 9 minus 2. This is 9. We have to remove 2 from this 9. 1, 2. How many fingers left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get 7. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 72. After subtracting 24 from this 96, we get 72. Subtract the following. We have to subtract 23 from this 46. This is ones place. This is tens place. First we have to subtract the numbers which are in ones place. In the ones place we have 6 and 3. Subtract first 3 from this 6. 6 we have to remove 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers left? There are 3 fingers left. So 6 minus 3 is 3. We have to write 3 under this ones place. Okay. Now we completed the subtraction of ones place numbers. Then we have to move on to the subtraction of tens place. In the tens place we have 4 and 2. 4 minus 2 how much? This is 4. We have to remove 2. 1, 2. How many fingers left? 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2 and the 2 should be written under this tens place. We get 23 after subtracting 23 from this 46. Have you understood? And in this problem, we have to subtract 66 from this 86. First, we have to subtract ones place digits, then tens place digits. In the ones place, we have 6 and 6. 6 minus 6. How much? 6 minus 6, that is 0. So 0 should be written below this ones place. Then 8 minus 6. Subtract 6 from this 8. This is 8. We have to subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers left? 2 fingers left. That means when we subtract 6 from 8, we get 2. And the 2 should be written under this tens place. We get 20 after subtracting the 66 from 86. Then here we have to subtract 11 from this 39. This is ones place, this is tens place. We have to subtract first ones place numbers 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1, that is 8 and that 8 should be written below this ones place. Then tens place digit subtraction. 3 minus 1 that is 2 and the 2 should be written below this tens place. We get 28 after subtracting 11 from this 39. Have you understand, students? I hope you all are clear about double column subtraction. Thank you.